If you've ever slipped in a big box store like Walmart, Costco, or Target, listen closely. Before you even make it to your car, the store's legal team is already protecting their interest. And if you make the wrong moves, you could lose your chance to get help for your injuries, or even get stuck footing the bill yourself. I'm Kerry Woods II, a personal injury attorney here in Miami. I help people who are hurt get the justice they deserve, especially when it involves big companies with big insurance policies. Today, I want to discuss the 3 common mistakes I see people make after a slip and fall in a big box store and how you can avoid them. These are simple steps that can make or break your case. So let's get into it. Here's the first mistake, and it happens all the time. People don't report a fall. You'd be surprised how many people fall, feel embarrassed, and just walk out. I had a client who slipped near the entrance of a big store. There was a puddle from someone's spilled drink, and there was no warning sign. She was shaken up, bruised her hip, thought she'd be fine, and didn't tell anyone. Just 2 days later, she could barely walk. When we tried to follow up with the store, guess what they said? We have no record of that ever happening. If there's no report, they could claim the whole thing's fabricated. That's why it's so important to tell someone right away. Ask for a manager, let them know what happened. And if they write a report, ask for a copy or even snap a quick photo of it. Just give yourself some proof of when and where it happened. Now let's talk about mistake number 2, not gathering your own evidence. Here's the thing, most of these stores have security cameras, but they don't exactly jump at the chance to share the footage. And sometimes they accidentally delete it within days. So if you're relying on them to save the proof for you, you may be out of luck. I had another client who slipped on a broken tile in a home improvement store. She fell really hard. Luckily, she had the presence of mind to take a picture of her scuffed arm, the tile, and the area around it. That one photo made all the difference. If you can, pull out your phone. Snap pictures of what caused your fall. The puddle, the broken flooring, whatever it was. Take photos of your injuries. Look around. Was anyone nearby? Politely ask for their name or number. Even a quick, "Hey, did you see that?" and grabbing a name can go a long way. You're not being dramatic, you're simply protecting yourself. And the third big mistake, waiting too long to go to the doctor. Now, I get it. When you fall, the adrenaline kicks in and you think it's not that bad. You go home, get a little rest, and you try to shake it off. But when you delay getting medical care, it opens the door for the store's insurance company to say, well, if it was really serious, wouldn't they have gone to the doctor right away? I had a man wait 5 days before seeking medical care after his fall at a wholesale club. Well, it turned out he had a mild concussion and a torn ligament. But because there was no immediate treatment, the store tried to argue that he might have gotten hurt somewhere else. If you've fallen, and even if you feel okay, go get checked out. Injuries like head trauma, muscle tears, and internal bruising don't always show up right away. Getting medical records started early helps your recovery and your case. So, let me bring this all together. If you slip and fall in a big box store, don't brush it off. Speak up and tell someone right away. Take a few pictures, even if it feels silly in the moment. And don't put off seeing a doctor just because the pain hasn't kicked in right away. These small steps aren't about just building a case. They are about protecting you. If you're watching this and thinking that's already happened to you, don't panic. Every case is different, and we could talk through where you stand. I'm here to help you figure out your next steps without any pressure or any judgment. Reach out to me if you've got questions or just need someone to listen. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself.